anybody who passes by this house, what I've heard from the clients, or you can say my well-wishers, my guardians, the Karambe family, is really appreciating the house for its wonderful flavors, for its traditional flavors, and the terracotta that has really added the impact. So we are here at the Karambe Residence project site. The brief of this project was very close to my heart, which is to design an eco-friendly place. It is an existing house of my very close friend from college, Rohini Karambe. So we've cumulatively worked on solutions that will really respond to the climate aspect and the sunshade aspect, and making the utmost use of the natural ventilation that can possibly happen. So as you see, this is pretty much a residential area where the houses are not very high rise. They are pretty much at 3 or 4 floor level, and this beautiful plot that Rohini has is on the corner portion, one of the corner portion of the lanes. You can see the material panel is pretty much terracotta. These are like hollow bricks that I've sourced from Balaghat. It has been carefully installed onto this facade, which is the north side of the project. As you can see, we wanted an exposed brick facade onto the north side, and to ensure that all the bricks are exposed, and since we didn't want to plaster it, we've made sure that the bricks are enveloping the columns. The bricks are offsetted 2 inches extra so that the columns will get covered with it. So these are traditionally sourced, reclaimed, beautiful 6 feet large windows. Must be 30, 40, 50 years old, and I was so privileged to get in hand with these. This site, in terms of eco-friendly approach, has value added in terms of my education. What we have applied here is filler slab, and with the careful guidance and supervision of architect Sarvojini sir, we could do it here. So we are very thankful to him. The southwest portion needs to be the highest because sun travels that way, and accordingly all the shade will fall on this northeast portion. So the northeast portion is where the best sunlight comes, which is why our veranda comes on that side, and all the masonry, all the roof part. So this L-shaped portion will be cladded with Mangalorean roofing tile that you see pretty much here. The summary or the lesson to learn from this project is that with the advancement in technology or with the advancement in our requirements, we shouldn't forget what our core values were in terms of planning and strategies of design, and I feel that that's what make architecture. Hi, so I'm here at the completion of Karambe Residence project, and I'm so happy to be here. This has been a project which has been designed in a very traditional format. This is one of the elevation drawings where there's extensive use of exposed brick sourced locally from Balaghat. Then there are these reclaimed windows, which again I have sourced from a second-hand store. To complement that, we have these brick jalis and a traditional typical Kerala style of architecture. Above me is this L-shaped roof, which is deeply, the slope of it is very much deep. Ahead of me is a beautiful terrace, which acts like a veranda for these people. In order to play with the proportions of the overall house, we've gone for this Kavelu L-shaped roof, as you can see behind me. So this also gives them a little covered portion in the terrace where they can sit and enjoy, like just how I am sitting and enjoying while I'm explaining this drawing to you guys on this swing. Top it up, Kerala architecture, which has these essential textures of terracotta, gets really complemented with these wonderful regular plants. So very simpler plants like a tulsi or a banana leaf plant would really add to the character of the whole space.
and the textures that we have used, there is a temperature drop in this house as well. Like what you see behind me, this roof is on the southwest corner, and then there are solar panels which are applied on the either side where the sun's energy gets trapped. As we go further, you'll get to see the different textures, the play of light and shadow, the earthiness of the house, the minimal and simplistic interiors, to the beautiful terracotta facade.
हॅलो नमस्कार, मी निळकंठ मारुतराव कळंबे. प्रत्येक व्यक्तीचं एक घरकुल व्हावं असं स्वप्न असते. आमच्या जीवनामध्ये सुद्धा एक घरकुल निर्माण करण्याची इच्छा निर्माण झाली. त्या दृष्टिकोनातून आम्ही पर्यावरणपूरक काम करणाऱ्या आमच्या आर्किटेक्ट समृद्धी चापले यांच्याशी संपर्क साधला. त्यांच्या माध्यमातून आम्ही आमचं घर हे पर्यावरणपूरक पद्धतीनं बांधण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. आणि घर बांधत असताना पर्यावरणाला कोणतेही धोका निर्माण होणार नाही या पद्धतीनं बांधकाम करण्यात आलेलं आहे. याकरता आम्हाला मार्गदर्शन करणाऱ्या आर्किटेक्ट समृद्धी चापले यांचे आम्ही अभिनंदन करतो.
So source local, be ethical, and home should be a place where everybody comes together and really enjoy the bond, the collective art of being together. So I feel that that's what has been ensured here, and I'm really happy to be a part of this one. So I really want to thank Rohini just for her to remember me on such an important juncture in her life. And to top it all, her daughter grew up while this house was transforming. So we're very happy to have Maithili, and she got all the positivity while we were making this home. So it's all really good, and I cannot be more grateful for this opportunity. Thank you.